How to search Facebook account by phone numbers.
Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started.
First of all, go to the Facebook application. Tap on this three horizontal line at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down to settings. Here search for upload contacts. Select the Facebook account and just toggle these options and enable it. Here it's already enabled. After doing this, the contacts or the phone numbers on your contact list will be shown to your suggestions and you'll be able to find out the account of those people who are on your contact list.
Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.